How are the microbes used in medicine? Microbes like bacteria and fungi produce antibiotics. The substance produced by a living organism which inhibits the growth and metabolic activities of pathogenic organisms, that is mostly of bacteria, without affecting the metabolism of the host is called an antibiotic. Penicillin, Streptomycin, Aureomycin, and chloromycetin are some of the examples for antibiotics. Penicillin is a well-known antibiotic obtained from the blue-green mold called Penicillium notatum. When it is grown in culture medium, the mycelium excretes an antibiotic substance called penicillin. The crude penicillin is recovered, purified, and dehydrated. It is effective against gram-positive bacteria like pneumonia bacteria. Streptomycin is obtained from the filamentous bacterium Streptomyces griseus, actinomycetes. It cures urinary infections, tuberculosis, meningitis, and pneumonia. Aureomycin is obtained from actinomycetes, Streptomyces aureofaciens. It is used as a medicine in osteomyelitis, whooping cough, and eye infections. Chloromycetin is obtained from the actinomycetes, Streptomyces venezuelae. It kills the bacillus form of bacteria and cures typhoid fever. Aspergillus fumigatus produces antibiotic which is used against typhoid and dysentery. Other group of microorganisms like bacteria is also known to produce many antibiotics. Bacillus subtilis produces 60 different antibiotics. Bacitracin is an antibiotic obtained from Bacillus licheniformis and it is used to treat syphilis. It is useful in the control of sugar for persons suffering from diabetes. Through genetic manipulation, Escherichia coli is articulated to produce human insulin called humulin.